Are you worried about your online safety? You're not alone. Millions face identity theft daily. This book is your guide to safeguarding your online identity and privacy. How to Safeguard Your Online Identity shows you how hackers operate. It explains vital steps to protect yourself effectively. This isn't just theory, it's backed by real-world examples. First, understand that identity theft costs Americans $5 billion yearly. That's a staggering number. Each dollar lost represents someone's life disrupted. Your safety matters, and it starts with knowledge. Next, learn how to spot phishing attacks. These are clever tricks hackers use to steal your information. You'll discover how to recognize and avoid them easily. Then, we'll talk about creating strong passwords. A secure password is your first line of defense. This book provides tips to create unbreakable passwords. Additionally, protecting your personal info online is crucial. You'll learn about privacy settings on social media. We'll guide you on how to lock down your accounts. Let me give you a relatable example. Imagine you have a beautiful garden. If you leave the gate open, anyone can enter. This book teaches you how to secure your garden, the gate being your online identity. In summary, don't let hackers disrupt your life. With the right strategies from this book, you can protect your identity today. Don't wait until it's too late. Click link below to buy How to Safeguard Your Online Identity now. Take control of your online safety